Tiny.
Aurora? I'm sorry.
If you don't do your fucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
No, you're not getting dinner. You was bad.
There she goes.